Hello? Well, no, I'm just about to do the intro. Just say, hello, Jay the Shark here for your weekly weather forecast. Live from my garden. And I was going to do a little walk around the garden. Oh, you want me to come to the office? Because you're here now, are you? So I need to drop everything and come to the office on a Sunday morning. Ah, okay. Well, there you go. Hello, Jay the Shark here for Star Marine with your weekly weather forecast, but apparently I'm not doing it because Sean's in the office and he wants to do it. So, let's go to the office.
Thanks for coming in, Jay, and we've got the weekly weather update. If this is your very first time coming to watch this video.
No. Not, what about a little bit more energy of thanks for coming in? You've not been around for weeks.
You didn't bring coffee.
I brought my own coffee.
I know, but you didn't bring it.
Why
are you not using a 5-star Marine cup?
Do you know why I don't use that cup? It's because it doesn't fit in my cup holder in my car unless I take which I found out is an insert in my cup holder. If I take that out, then I don't know what to do with that. So that's why. Anyway.
Jay's looking very energetic today because he has to go out on a team building event with 180 packs tomorrow, and he's very excited about it. Actually, you look a bit white. You do need some sun.
Would you get on and do this weather?
Okay. So if you've been watching the weather updates, what we do is we do it every week. We come out and we tell you what we think is going to happen in the coming week.
We say Phuket. We do it every week. Jay does it every week.
Yeah, well, this will be the first week it's accurate.
That's true.
We do that because in Phuket, the weather apps are very, very rarely accurate. They're like a clock. Maybe they're accurate twice a day. So anyway, here we are. We're going to have a look at windy, and Jay will tell you why we look at windy.
We look at windy because the wind dictates where the wind's coming from, and that dictates if it's going to be bumpy or not, basically.
And if you've been watching us during the high season, you'll notice that the wind comes from Krabi, but in the low season, the wind comes from the other side. So we're seeing here Monday morning, a pretty good wind condition here Monday morning for
You haven't done the colours, Sean. You haven't told what the colours mean.
So to give you a quick overview, this colour here, which I'm colourblind, so I think it's
purple.
Yes. The purple colour means there's pretty much no wind. Light blue, no wind. Green, starting to get a wind. On Monday, we have a very low wind condition in the morning and in the afternoon, so it's a great day to go on tour on Monday. Tuesday, looking forward, still good conditions here Tuesday, pushing through.
Why have you got I'm shouting from the back of the office. Why don't you expand it? Because this is the whole of Thailand. Why don't you, this Phuket's here.
Yes.
Why don't you make it bigger?
Well, then I wouldn't be able to see it. You know how blind I am?
No, bigger, you'll be able to see it better.
No, because I like to look at the wind condition.
But no one cares about the wind up here.
I do, because this is Similan.
But Similan's closed.
Not yet.
We don't go to Similan.
We are closed to Similan,
exactly.
But Similan itself is not closed. Anyway, there is some greener wind out here at Similan, so Similan will be quite rough on Tuesday, but as we push forward into
Doesn't
Phuket,
matter about Similan, we're not going there.
And why are we not going there, Jay?
Because it's closing on the 15th of May, and right now it's too bumpy because you can
because of this wind.
But we don't care.
So put the wind in.
Make it bigger.
Phi Phi is looking good, Krabi is good, Phang Nga is good Tuesday morning, and looking into Tuesday afternoon. A little bit of wind pushing through in the afternoon. Now, I would say to you that this is a normal kind of a change of season wind that we would see. We would see it a little bit calmer in the morning and a little bit stronger in the afternoon. It's the reverse of high season. Moving forward to Wednesday, some stronger wind conditions out here at Similan. Definitely wouldn't be going out to Similan on Wednesday. But fine to Phi Phi, Krabi or Phang Nga.
Stop talking about Similan.
People ask me every day.
No one cares. We are not going to Similan. It doesn't matter what the weather's doing there.
Wednesday afternoon's going to be a little bit bumpy on the way back.
From where?
From anywhere. Looking for Thursday morning. Again, this is the condition you're going to see a little bit lower in the morning, a little bit higher in the afternoon. This is our normal change of season wind. The good thing to know is that the wind is actually coming directly from the west now, which means it's a more predictable weather pattern. Thursday afternoon, and this is a good condition. So Thursday is a great day to go out. You're going out this week? Monday and Friday.
Monday and Friday I'm going out.
Let's check Friday. Friday morning. Oh, you have a good condition for Friday.
Well, I'm not going to Similan, so it doesn't matter. I'm going down here.
That's what I said, you have a good condition.
Well, can you expand out? I can actually see what it's like.
You're going to go to Hong Krabi.
Why are you not? Is your
look,
mouse
nice
broken
calm.
or something?
No, I don't know how to do it.
You press a little plus button down here. Look.
Friday afternoon,
Honestly.
nice wind condition. So every day we're looking at, in this coming week, a good days to get out on the sea. So if you're here in Phuket and you would like to get out traveling, you're welcome to. What we do expect, and Jay could probably attest to this, is we're starting to see some evening showers. So when it does predict in the condition of the day that there's going to be showers, most probably in the evening.
Testified. Yes, it is raining in the evenings quite a lot. My garden's very green at the moment.
Saturday morning, a little bit windy, breaking into Saturday afternoon. This is a stronger wind. Saturday, definitely don't want to go to Racha. Phang Nga Bay, Hong Karabi, the places to go on Saturday. Moving forward to Sunday, we see a bit of a wind condition here. Sunday, again, Hong Karabi, Phang Nga look good locations on Sunday.
That's next Sunday, the 11th, by
Yes.
the way. Next Sunday, 11th of May.
When does this video come out?
Today.
What's today?
Sunday.
Oh, so I don't need to do Monday?
The 5th.
What day do we do the forecast to?
Sunday
I'm so
to Sunday.
I don't have no idea what we do anymore.
Normally I'd film it on a Saturday, but I say it's a Sunday. Shh, giving away the secrets. It's Sunday to Sunday.
So if you're here in Phuket, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday look to be the better days. Saturday a little bit windy, and Sunday a nice strong wind.
Sean's Craig David.
Don't get you down.
I do.
I'm too old.
It's funny.
Now to the live radar, which Jay loves.
Pointless live radar.
Hang on. You've been in our movie chats. Why do we use the radar? So
No,
we
I
can see
say
what's
this
about
every
to
week.
come.
Right, this is a pointless live radar. One, because it's too small and you can't see it on the screen. And two, this is right now. This is live. Right, we're recording this at... I'm looking at my watch. And it's... Oh, look at your phone. Oh, someone's calling you.
Yes.
It's 10 something or other in the morning. So this is right now. So anyone watching this is out of date. So it means nothing. Yes, we do use this on a daily basis to keep it on the weather, but no one cares.
The entire reason I show this is so that somebody knows there is a live radar and that you can go and check so you can see what's happening on the day.
Yeah, you geeks, you can sit there with it on your phone all day.
We go to AccuWeather, but let's just skip that because really that's got
No!
nothing to do with what we talk about.
AccuWeather's good. AccuWeather is your basic forecast. It shows you what the temperature is. It also gives a stupid percentage of rain. That percentage of rain doesn't mean it's going to rain 72% of the day, all day, every day in the whole of Phuket. There is a chance of rain somewhere in Phuket, 72% of the chance.
This time of year, mainly in the late afternoon, early evening.
That's
so
right.
If there is a recommendation to go on tour, it's get out in the morning so you're off the water by afternoon.
It's quite humid at the moment as well because of the rain.
It's quite hot actually.
It's hot and humid, baby.
Yeah.
It's the tropics.
Yeah. I don't know. What else do we do for the weather update? I forgot.
Well, nothing, because these get no views until the floods come and then they get loads of views.
All
so
right,
we'll
so-
wait for the floods.
And we're going to cut to Jay in flooded weather.
No, I'm not. Oh, from last year.
Oh yeah, because there's no flooding right now.
No, there's no flooding right now.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, there's no rain. Only in
We
the
have
evening.
flash floods.
Oh, don't be so stupid.
Yeah.
Move on.
Anyway, that's it, guys. If you have any questions
Is
about
that
a
it?
specific date coming up,
Driven all the way here
and
for
you
this.
would like to know the weather for
No,
that
we're
day,
not giving the specific
Jay
date.
is
No.
got his magic ball. What do they
Yeah.
call that, balls?
I've got a couple of
You got
magic
an eight
balls.
ball.
I haven't got one. I'll get one.
Yeah, we should
I'll
get an
buy
eight
one.
ball. It's
Get an
going to
eight
be
ball.
wet or it's going to be dry.
Yeah. You're going to be happy. You're
Anyway,
gonna be
drop a
sad.
comment below. We're happy to answer it. These are the 3 apps that we use here in Phuket. If you're coming to Phuket, we'd love to have you on board with us. And that's it, Jay, to you.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye. Get a cup. Doesn't fit in your cup holder.
Or a hat. Or a t-shirt.
Didn't I order you a new hat already? It looks like you don't get it.
Yeah, no, Phang, you did. Look at it, Sean. Look at my hat. Look.
Well
Mischievous.
used.
Well used. Mr. Eat It. Sean said I could have a new hat, but Phang Nga Ding Dong hasn't given me one. Anyway, say goodbye.
That's it. Bye-bye.